I think the Buck Skills Show represents an unparalleled opportunity for young people and adults to come and access the fantastic range of careers and job opportunities that are available here on our doorstep in Buckinghamshire.
An opportunity to sort of help give them information so that they can make up their minds later on as to where they're going to go.
I think it's a great opportunity to share actually what skills do they need, kind of get them excited into your industry.
This show is very interactive and engaging.
It's really challenging out there to sell your organisation to young people. So this is your chance to get out there and have those one-to-one conversations with young people about why they should come and work for your business. We want to invest in the future of the project profession and at the same time invest in young people in the area as well. And so the future is investing in young people so they can become project professionals and hopefully solve some of the world's most challenging problems.
We have been coming here for the last 5 years, and the reason why we do it with so much enthusiasm is just to inspire them.
I've gone around as many of the stands as I can that kind of pertain to my field. They've been very helpful with letting me know what they offer, but then also just the best ways to kind of like get going and start making stuff, do you know what I mean? Like, that's the best thing I've heard, so yeah.
We were so impressed with how well organised it is and how well attended it is that we took the decision to actually sponsor it this year. It's an excellent show.
I think it's a good opportunity to maybe get involved with some of the local businesses, maybe find some work experience, but also I think there's lots of universities here.
You get to meet a lot of people and there's new work experience opportunities from them.
Informative, fun, I've enjoyed myself, and interesting.
Yeah, I would recommend it. It was like very informative.